307.75. He launched it, Justin Taylor. Right there, give him a round of applause. 3:14.30. 3:14.30. Evans.
How about your Violet? I just filled it up.
Another Chevrolet. Got him right there at 279.05. 279.05. Trent Evans. You name it, they got burgers, hot dogs, chili cheese dogs. And we got Skip Brinson on the line. Fayetteville, Ohio. Uh, 293.15. 293.15 for Skip Brinson. Local boy right here. Good hook. Gonna shake the order up a little bit. 308.35. 308.35. Came around the wall. Second. Right. James Davidson, Lancaster, Kentucky. Well, while we were backing off of it, 283.90. 283.90. Green light. See what he's got. Chasing a 3:14.30. Well, we'll back him up. Let him try it again. One more shot at it. That's why, guys, we don't stand in front of that there sand pile. So we'll lock him at a 273.15. 273.15. That'll be a disqualification. Broke his hitch. Wisely backed out of it. We'll give him another shot at it here. They get two shots at it. Tyler Smith. Not bad. 293.85. 293.85 for Tyler Smith. 3:10.75, who's number 2 man. 3:10.75 for Wesley Wiley. And a Ford, our first Ford of the night, if I'm not mistaken. Well, we got breakage in the front end. Yeah, right turn, Clyde. That's exactly right. Not sure, maybe. About to bring up Zach Lockett out of Glencoe, Kentucky. Let's see what happens. Chasing Justin Kohler at 3:14.30. Zach Lockett. Well, it's close. 3:14.15, not quite good enough, but your second place man. Just a little bit. 3:14.50. Sarah Gardner in a Chevrolet. Justin Kohler, you're a winner when you got here on the track. $249.56, $249.56 for that exhibition, right? All right, guys, here we got the winner here tonight of the street diesel class, Zach Black. And Zach, heck, look, I'll tell you, truck hang right in there. Who do you want to thank?
My family first, because they let me do this. We do it for everybody, try to help everybody out. So I got to thank them. And then, you know, everybody put it on, the Prowls, you know, doing this show. So it's good. You know, everybody will have a good time as long as we don't get nothing come later, you know.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Hey, guys, let's give him a round of applause. Mr. Zach Glacker right here, your winner tonight. Thank you. Out of Salem, Indiana, and a truck he calls Dirty Buddy.
one hooker. 330.64 for Brian Williams. Red last truck up the class, Mr. William Christopher. All right, on the line here, William Christopher. Got a home. Getting better his distance in 324.20, 324.20. So the win tonight goes to Austin White.
All right, guys, we got Austin White here tonight, the winner of the 3.0 diesel class. Austin, what a heck of a bull.
Yeah, it was a nice track out there, and I want to thank the Prowse family. They've got a great event here. Patrick O'Brien, he's built us a heck of an engine for it. My brother, and mostly, Corey Baker and his family, Brown, they worked on this truck all winter. Looks like we got to go in the right direction.
Yeah, I would say so. What a heck of a run. I tell you what, congratulations. Guys, let's give a round of applause for Mr. Austin White. Alright guys, I'm out here with the winner of the light pro super farm class, mixed class I should say, Austin LaFalla. First let's give it Justin LaFalla. I screwed that up, I knew I would. Congratulations first thing, but let's talk about your run a little bit.
I didn't really know what to expect. It's got a brand new set of tires on it. Had to kind of guess the gearing and everything, so it seemed to work out. I got home at the other end. Definitely a good track. Just glad to be here.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And who you want to thank?
Oh, I got a million people to thank, but actually we didn't know he was going to be here tonight. We fired it up and put it on the trailer and blew an O-ring out on the injection pump. And Tim Mann, a good friend of mine that does a lot of mechanic work on it, he came over and just so happened he had an O-ring that worked. And we were a little late getting here than we wanted to be, but it's running and we made it. And I got to thank Patrick O'Brien. He's been very, very helpful. A lot of information on this tractor. I can't thank him enough. And Spencer Frizzell, he goes with me everywhere I go. He's touched every nut, bolt, wire, hose on this tractor. He knows it backwards and forwards. The Linville family for all their help, and especially my wife for putting up with me doing this.
It's all about family, though, it really is.
Absolutely it is. It's definitely a family sport, and it's in my blood.
Same here. Let's give him a round of applause, guys. I tell you, a heck of a run right there. Mars Hill, Maine. Building that boost up. At 33.5 mile an hour, definitely started bouncing. So the wind tonight goes to Scott Willoughby at a 3. Guys, I'm down here with the winner tonight in the 360 from Scott Willoughby. Scott, heck of a pass.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate Ethan and all of them putting it on. It's a great show and turned out to be a great event. I'd like to thank my family and friends, and a special thanks to Pat Ingram for all the help.
I'll tell you what, I see a lot of family out here. That means a lot, doesn't it?
It's everything.
Sure is. Sure is. Hey, let's give him a round of applause. Scott Willoughby.
Green lights, green flags. Daryl Fannin in Popeye. And 35 for Daryl Fannin. All right, here we go. Dan Furnish, right here out of Cynthiana. House money. The truck call any minute. And 25 for Mac in the any minute. It's going to bring out Daryl Fannin in the Green Hornet. Be the last truck. 25 and 60.
All right. Guys, I'm lucky enough to have Dan Furnish right here, guys. You're running a semi-truck. Dan, what a heck of a ride.
Yeah, it was. We made a good hook. We dropped a half gear, but this track was tight. It's way good, but we spun out and didn't choke the motor out. So, Mac Ronell, he's pretty smart. He's done this stuff for 4 years.
That's a good one to listen to, isn't it? Who do you want to thank?
All my family for letting me do this. A lot of times I work at home when I'm not playing. Mac Darnell, he keeps the truck going. Super guy, any mechanic work, call it because he's super.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Let's give him a round of applause, Mr. Dan Furnish.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I didn't learn.
All right. Mr. Nathan Tucker. One to watch, that's for sure. Give up, 321.65.
proud of it. I don't think he ever got on top. Got a little firing hole maybe there, guys. Got a little steamage. Class, that's that beautiful John Deere. He started class out. Turned down a pull. And we'll just see what happens here. We're not going to... Mr. Tristan Ellington. Didn't bring her out of the hole hard enough. Maybe gear selection. We'll give another shot at her right here. Alright guys, I'm down here tonight with Nathan Tucker, your winner of the last class here, guys. I tell you what, Nathan, what a heck of a...
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I tell you what, we're not going to talk about last year this time, okay? We're not even going to talk about that, but we're so sick of the death that you're here. You know that as well as I do. Who do you want to thank, and then you want to talk about your run just a little bit?
Thank Mom and Dad. Absolutely, they're not here tonight. So it's a great run. I don't ever usually come with Dad or come without him, so it's a little odd, but good run, good win. Thank Mom, Dad, Grandpa, Eric, Will, Blake, everybody here with me. I appreciate y'all helping out. Thank Battle of Bluegrass for being out here and putting us in for this night. Last night we got rained out, so that was real nice to get us in here. So get it good. Good.
Yes, it was. Guys, let's give him a round of applause. Mr. Nathan Tucker right here. Out of Baghdad, Kentucky. 259 and 56 for Brandon Ratcliffe. Austin Church. 309.50 for Austin Church. That'll bring out Andy Parker. All right, on the line here, Andy Parker out of Walton, Kentucky. For Andy Parker. Got the Pertichrome stacks here. See what I can do here tonight.
307.35 for Austin Fairgrounds. Oh, man. 270.40. Looks like we have a little clutch slippage there. The tire out of Greenville, Kentucky in the big Dodge. Rusty Money. Out of Lawrenceburg, Kentucky, in the 05 Chevrolet. $255 and 71, $255 and 71 for Ben Ritchie. Covering out Dustin Bramble. Well, looks like it's one kind of turn to the left there, so I don't know. Got a hook, not. Be on the ball and ready to roll. Well, I'd say probably mark him right there at 22.90, 22.90. Sound like we heard a little breakage. Oh, and the 2005 Dodge. Even 277.00 for Jack Burnley. $263 and 36. 263 and 36 for George Rich. Jr. Yeah, George Rich Jr. $269 and 71. 269.71 for Ben Ritchie. Now I believe we broke some. 72.09. 72.09 for Steve Leonard.
Now's my chance to grab it. Total of truck, do you know we're driving home? Like I can drive
All right, Dale Smith, Felicity, Ohio. Good hit, 298 and 40. 298 and 40 for Dale Smith. That'll bring up Samantha Church. That means your win goes to Austin Church at 309 and 50.